Hello everyone, for today's video I will be showing you how we built our own deck and sheeting. We wanted to build our sheeting and deck before the contractor would start building our new house. The reason is simple. We would have limited space, 3 and 4 meters right and left, to use heavy equipment and would have to use the channel to reach the place for the sheeting. Together with Martin, Walter's nephew, we built the sheeting. But the weather, storm, rain, and cold made the challenge a huge one. The heavy clay sucked our feet in the earth. We tried many things covering the clay, but it didn't work. Suffering. This took us 3 days. However, Walter suffered a very serious wound under his left foot, and we had to stop for 4 weeks. His leg went into a gypsum cast that needed renewal every week, and then he recovered. The weather improved, we went back to work full of energy. With the 2 of us, we installed the deck, the lighting in the deck, and the second sheeting. It was heavy but very satisfying. You cannot relax. You have to continue working.
Oh, sorry. Slavery! I am videoing.
Huh?
I am recording. Okay, you can try this one.
This one more time?
No, here.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Wait a No, no, no.
Is it straight?
If you think so. Very good. Wow, so fast. Almost done already. Not even an hour. Yeah, there. Finally, we're making progress. And Shiela found a clever way to do it fast. Look at her. Marco, say hello. So we're now busy on the 3rd row. So actually, the 3rd row will be almost ready. You see, it's quite a distance.
Luckily it's not so windy.
It's foggy outside. It's chilly, but not extreme cold.
We need more of these. It's cold.
Back to you in an hour. Bye bye.
My husband is making a hole for the lightings because we're going to install the lights. We just tested the light and it's working! Yay! We connected the lights today. Oh, it's so cold. Hello, duckies! Hello! We're almost done! This would have been way more expensive, way out of budget. We saved roughly 20,000 euro by doing it this way and doing it ourselves.
Can you try?
What? What do you want?
No, you touch this way, move it, try to move it.
Oh yeah, it's strong.
It's a big difference, huh? Now he's filled up, huh?
Yeah, it looks nice now.
You can put some plants already.
Yeah, you can plant already if you want to. Can you fly?
Yeah.
Wow, we're almost done. I'm actually gluing the lights, but I still have to clean and then glue it afterwards. It was a great feeling that Walter and I were able to complete this job in about 5 days. And it feels different, not only in your wallet, but even more so in your heart. We had to move all the remaining planks to the deck. That is our next project. A beautiful terrace connecting to the deck, but that has to wait until we moved in. Looking forward to it somewhere in August or September. What a team we were. I am sure there will be many more projects that we can do together and make our new house a home that is truly ours. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.